Vice President of Dhaka University Central Students Union, Mr. Nurul Haq Nur, to deliver his keynote speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Your Excellencies, Honorable Ambassador, High Commissioner, esteemed representative of diplomatic missions, international organization, senior political leaders, journalists, civil society members, dear competitors and honorable guests. On behalf of Gana Adhikar Parishad, I extend my warmest greetings, heartfelt appreciation and Ramadan Mubarak to you all. Your presence here this evening brings us immense honor and encouragement. The significance of this year's Iftar, dear August gathering, this year Iftar is unlike any other. It is taking a place at a historic moment, the first Iftar gathering after the fall of an oppressive, unjust, undemocratic authoritarian regime that denied basic freedom and rights of our people. This moment is not just for a celebration, but reflection. It is a breath of a new hope for all Bangladesh. The fall of tyranny is proof that the power of the people and the triumph of truth are inevitable. Tonight's gathering stands as a platform of gratitude, unity, solidarity, and commitment to justice, honoring the martyrs and democratic forces. We bow our heads in humble tribute to the martyrs of the July-August Revolution, who gave their lives so that future generations could breathe in freedom. We salute the countless young men and women, the injured and resilient Generation Z, who fearlessly challenged repression and fought for democracy. Their sacrifices are each in the heart of our national history.